Every so often, the universe reminds us how small we are. A strange object appears in the night sky, moving just a little too fast, on a path that doesn't belong here. These are interstellar visitors, rare cosmic travelers born around other stars, who pass briefly through our solar system before disappearing forever. Today, we meet one of them. On July 1st, 2025, astronomers at the Atlas telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, noticed something unusual. A faint, comet-like object with a tail moving faster than expected. At first, it looked like just another comet, but after checking older images, scientists realized it had already been spotted in mid-June. When they calculated its orbit, the truth became clear. This wasn't a local comet. It was on a hyperbolic trajectory, a path that doesn't loop around the sun, but instead slices through the solar system once, never to return. It was interstellar, and so it was officially named 3I Atlas. The 3I tells us it's the third interstellar object ever discovered. The first was MUA in 2017. The second was Comet Borisov in 2019. And now, Atlas joins the list. Where is it going? Right now, 3I Atlas is falling toward the inner solar system. It will reach its closest point to the Sun, its perihelion, in late October 2025. At that moment, it will pass about 1.4 astronomical units from the Sun. That's just inside Mars' orbit. And what about Earth? Don't worry. 3I Atlas will never come close enough to threaten us. Its nearest approach is still a safe 1.8 astronomical units away, over 170 million miles. After October, it will slingshot back outward, fading into the black of interstellar space. We will never see it again. So what exactly is this traveler? Astronomers estimate the nucleus could be anywhere from a few 100 meters to more than 5 kilometers across. It's difficult to pin down, because the nucleus is shrouded in gas and dust, forming a bright coma that hides its true size. But what we do know is its speed. 3I Atlas is moving at around 61 kilometers per second. That's more than 137,000 miles per hour relative to the Sun. For comparison, Earth orbits at just 30 kilometers per second. It is racing through space so fast that nothing could ever capture it, not the Sun, not Jupiter, not any planet. It is quite literally just passing through. One of the most exciting things about 3I Atlas is what it's made of. Data from powerful telescopes, including the James Webb Space Telescope, show that its coma is dominated by carbon dioxide gas. Smaller amounts of water vapor and carbon monoxide have also been detected. What's unusual is the ratio. This comet seems to release far more CO2 compared to water than typical comets we see here. That could mean it formed in a colder, more distant part of its home star system, where carbon dioxide ice was more abundant than water ice. And here's something even stranger. Water activity has been detected when the comet was still more than 3 astronomical units from the Sun. Normally, that's too far for water ice to sublimate, but 3I Atlas is defying expectations. This suggests its ice is unusually exposed, or its chemistry is simply different from anything we've studied before. Why does this matter? Because interstellar objects are incredibly rare. This is only the third one ever confirmed. Mu was mysterious cigar-shaped, tumbling and oddly lacking a visible coma. Borisov was much more familiar, looking like a normal comet. And now 3I Atlas adds a new chapter to the story. By studying it, scientists gain precious clues about how other planetary systems form. Its gases and dust are samples from another star's nursery, material that has drifted across light years to reach us. It's like a message in a bottle from across the galaxy. Of course, whenever an interstellar object is discovered, speculation follows. The first two sparked debates about whether it could be artificial. Some researchers have already wondered the same about 3I Atlas, but so far, all evidence points to a natural Comet 1 with unique chemistry, but still behaving like icy bodies we know. Still, until the data are complete, mysteries remain. Why is its CO2 so abundant? Why is water vaporizing at such a great distance? And what does this tell us about the system it came from? The next few months are critical. As 3I Atlas approaches the Sun, it will brighten, release more gas and dust, and reveal more about its composition. Astronomers worldwide on Earth, in orbit, even on Mars, are pointing instruments at this rare visitor. Every observation counts, because once it swings past the Sun, it will dim quickly and vanish into the void. We may never see another interstellar comet for decades, or perhaps one could be on its way right now. 3I Atlas is more than just a comet. It's a traveler from another star system, a reminder that we are part of a vast galaxy where countless worlds form, collide, and scatter their fragments into the dark. And every once in a while, one of those fragments comes to us. For a brief moment, we get to look, study, and wonder before it disappears forever. This is 3I Atlas, an interstellar messenger, a cosmic traveler, and for humanity, a once-in-a-lifetime chance to glimpse the chemistry of another world. If you enjoyed this journey beyond the solar system, subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of space. Until next time.